Hello everyone, how are we doing? It's currently Friday the 13th and we're going to do a bit of an update because the files that had got my recordings of what I've done have deleted. So yeah, so I will show you around, and it's changed quite a bit since we last spoke, so here we go. I don't know where to start really. For the primer, the roof, gutters and things. Doorsteps finished and sanded. This wing's in primer, so we're getting there. That's the front. And yes, we've got a red subframe in. It still needs paint to finish it all off, but it's under sealed, engine bay's painted and looking good. New rubbers, got adjustables front and rear, but I'll show you those in a minute. Rebuilt all in there, so it's looking good. I've started rebuilding this side, but the problem is, well, I've got a bit of a thing to tell you all. Bit good news in a minute, so I'll just show you more. Got a steering column back in, got the new ignition barrel, took 2 keys on that right, there we go, all locks fine, perfect. The wheel has just collapsed because I'm waiting for the bolts to come through, because you have the bolts at the top and at the bottom. No, I haven't got any. Reconditioned the ball joint. The drive shafts need doing, but no rush on that. Yeah, so we've got all this. Rear's all done and ready for paint. So is this side, just need to prime that. If we come down here, we've got red subframe as well. We've got a high-lows front and back, so it's all on adjustable ride. I am going to cover it up because tomorrow with the girlfriend and Sunday it's Lincoln Mini Day. So yeah, that's looking quite good in there. It don't look too bad anymore. So I'll just show you, flip the camera around. Yeah, so it's coming along together. What I'm doing is, before I paint it, I'm going to get the engine in and get it running. So if I've got money, I don't have a nice clean car painted and not have the money to finish the engine. So I'm going to get it engine in, turn it over, make sure it's all running fine, and then we'll see, we'll go from there, sort of thing. Deadline, not deadline, the plan is to get the engine in end of this month, so hopefully by the end of May we'll have it running. But the money wise is a bit tight, and especially from buying all the bits to do front and rear subframes, I'm a bit broke now for a bit. But no, it's looking good. So if any of you are at Lincoln Mini Day, comment below. I know there's me, Tom from Total Car Reviews, and Ben from Mini Madness are going, so there's 3 of us so far. But yeah, if you want to talk or meet or chat, leave a comment or something, but if not, I'll see you there, and just shout me and pull me over and say hello. It'd be good to talk to some of you. And yeah, I'm the one with the long hair on top and no sides. That's what I'm known as. I'm known as broccoli at the moment. Don't even ask that. So yeah, so I spoke to my driving instructor for when I drive, which will be next 2019 now, and she said we can do the lessons and test in the car. So I'm going to be learning to drive in my Mini, sort of thing, and pass in the car. So I've got to get it done now, but hopefully at the end of this year we'll have it painted and everything. But hopefully July I'm going to paint it tartan red, black roof, black interior, black boot, black engine bay, red fuel tank. I've rebuilt the heater and that looks something with the DSN alloy parts and all that, so really taking it to my taste. So yeah, just leave a comment if you want to meet, or message me, or if you see me, just come and say hello. No, nothing being done tomorrow because I'm with a girlfriend and everything, but we'll see where it goes. But I promise I'll make it up to you by making sure I have the content and it's all recorded. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and check out my other videos, and I hope to see you all Sunday. If not, it'll be Himley, I think. So yeah, cheers. Yeah, so I just forgot to mention I've got some stickers I'm doing. These are the colours so far and what they look like. They stick on the outside of the car, but if you wanted, we could do them so stick them inside of the window. So yeah, we've got all these, got black, green, orange, white so far. Do it with different colours as time goes on. But they're going to be released for Lincoln. If anyone wants one, comment below. They're about, I'll do them £2.50 posted to wherever you are, and the money towards them will go towards the project, you see. So it's just a bit of way of me, a little bit of earning or something. So yeah, they're the stickers, and thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.